Have you ever wondered why some shirts look expensive and even when they are made from simple fabric? The difference is often the details, especially sleeve shirt branding. In this video, I will show you exactly how to create luxury sleeve shirt branding that gives your shirt a premium design look. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced fashion designer, this technique will help your garment stand out and attract high-paying customers. Make sure you watch to the end of this video because at the end of this video, I will be telling you common mistakes that make your shirt to look cheap. Let's get started. Welcome back to my channel. If you are passionate about fashion designing, sewing and learning technique that helps you make more money from your crafts, welcome, you are in the right place. Please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. Never miss my weekly videos. Now let's begin. Choose the right placement. The first secret to luxury sleeve shirt branding is placement. Don't place your branding randomly. Luxury brand position their branding consistently, usually close to the cuff or the upper part of the collar or along the seam edges. A well-positioned brand details immediately make your garment look professionally made. Then step 2, select premium materials. Avoid using low quality material because they can make even a well-sewn shirt look inexpensive. Remember, customers often judge quality by small details before they even touch the fabric. Then step 3, this is where many designers lose their luxury look. Take time. Make sure your label is perfectly straight, your stitches are clean and even, there is no loose thread and the edges are flat. After sewing, press your shirt with iron and give it a crisp finish. A luxury finish isn't about expensive equipment, it is about attention to details. Step 4, final quality check. Before delivering your shirt, inspect everything. Ask yourself, is this branding centered? Are your stitches neat? Does this match the overall design? Would I proudly wear this myself? Professional fashion designers never skip these steps. Your finishing is what customers remember. Small details create big value, and premium finish is one of the easiest way to make customers pay you higher. I made this embroidery on the cuff just because I wanted a premium finish. After doing the cuff, I decided to make the same design on the collar just to even add more value to this outfit I made. Making sleeve shirt is good in our business, and also branding it makes it even more exciting because it gives you joy that you are making something that is of high demand. I made over 100 pieces of this and is all sold out. I'm also making more. So if you also need for your company, I can make for you. But if you need to do that for yourself, you can do for yourself and begin to make money for yourself and your business. Thank you for tuning into my channel. I love you. Thank you. Until next time, see you in my next videos. And never skip my videos because I'll keep giving you fashion tips that will make your fashion business have a professional appearance. Do well to subscribe to my channel and also click on your notification bell so whenever I upload videos, you will be the first to be notified. Thank you for tuning in. You can also go ahead to watch my other videos. There will be much more of great help to your fashion business. Thank you.